sese ni mobea nundu wa kwendea kwithona ituthini wa kilungu cha Uiiti na nyutho chatumithie kilungu kila chatiana na ni daktari na weta nino kulia yulwa mawona ni science ya lolibido na unaweta kwa mundu mekwithwa amame na wasia mutheke kiuti kindu natural kwitha wasia utemuito
not very natural nundu tumane la tunini twanandika miaka 16 14 16 17 kwitha twinena na kwa chaka wese ndo patokanya kunekele tukaneka mundu mume lakini amino bicha miaka 14 15 wa ambio bindu wa wasia na wasia uchupiruka because nundu wa testosterone na hicho kimitasia the other the testosterone the other the voice na hicho kutumi au mengi alame wacha munini wacha at least their manhood is a bit low na hicho kutumi au meala no nete wacha mundu mmoja tukumato medha na kwacha kateke muno no kisa eneno ta mundu muka no kisa udhi wake na kikonde chake ni very smooth no naturally kikonde cha mundu kone ni cha mundu muka ni smooth naturally kikonde cha mundu is very rough na change hizo on this yoka nundu wa the hormones nundu hormones ya mundu muka si direct ya mundu muka in another line na cha mundu me direct mundu me in another line na hicho to me there is a big difference na hicho to me na wacha wa mundu me determines a lot complexity ya mundu me kana kikonde chake ndi kile it demands a lot kwa is main manhood kindu kingi very important ni kana pepe ndaile wesa kwithia kamwana keka nini weza kana wacha munini lakini kabisa miaka 14 15 16 17 tuyambio change voice na wasio sio ubinduka nundu wa hormone na hicho kitimi ta sakana oende mundu wina voice deep no weza the level of the testosterone na hicho kitimi au meala medwa amena problem ya fertility kana libido which either their voices go wasewo ni mutheke twa mundu muka na hicho kitimi walianta asela kum of course we are talking over 90 asena mapepindu awacha ila weza kwithia the testosterone ndio kana hormone ya mundu ne ya muno na hicho kitimi in fact the first thing ila mundu ambia ena the number libido the first kila ni kani kwithukiza wacha wake that one can know a lot no mana uzwe mundu ume wina issue ya testosterone real kana ni transient no kuzaithia eka mwana bindi yake ya ambio sobya testosterone nesa kana bindi yake si sobya testosterone indi dilate lakini muno most of the cases and wekala methana low libido they outside the testosterone which either ni just giving kumunenga dawa na within 1 or 2 weeks it becomes normal
na makala withi amena wasia muito
oh yes pe akamedwa amena wasia muito na ndi na wasia pe akaweza ithia umusia etiu be wana ta mundu ume ndipo to actually even normally ni kuona mundu ume ukasethia wamba kuona ta mundu muka that's the first thing ukasethia wana mundu muka thia wana ta mundu ume pe akaingi we zakwithia even the structure of men muscles ta mundu ume na aingi ni mamethwa na kingegwa pe andu pe akaingi methwa na kingegwa na menza pe tha mine kana mundu mukosu ena testosterone ya mundu ume na wesethia ona kaisu muno behavior yo nendi mari behavior na react ta mundu ume na muno metha me comfortable na mela na ume kote menaka na that can be isune oneka ona mundu muka aendete with that mundu muko ena hormones lakini isu i affect ya libido ya mundu muka it has no effect on the libido ya mundu muka lakini akala medwa muno medwa na anjui muno kingegwa nitenda makekwa ultrasound the ovaries no the ovaries do na thina with the ovaries open to produce progesterone na estrogen then produce testosterone na bedo ula ovary ewa whether they don't produce those hormones they produce the wrong hormones but not produce the right hormones no hormones from the ovary na itenzio wiza kwithia matuku maingi mundu mukozi no ambia ku change na hicho kutumona watu wengi akaingi mabika miaka 45 na 50 na 60 waza wa wibenduka wiza the mundu mukai nena kwithia mundu mukozi no nena no guess the age even ukithukisha wacha wake no we muito na hicho kutumi manena differently no ndo mai bitlangu azuzu wacha woni very different na akala yang very different nundu metamato produce the estrogen ila imeke awasha mundu ka wise the winde. Yes, yes, that's very correct. Now talk to me even when the ladies are talking nukuwa mundu mukosu ni enenda mundu muka lakini ange manena taume. Yes, that's very common and normal. Yes.
Okay, they are mukosu no manya kibetiko. Exactly.
Yeah, you can know. In fact, akaingi muno ngine muno akamdala magunasimo ona namuguti the edge ni twanisimo usu ti mundu yang. But gini bagi fane wiza there enena tayanga ikiwa mkurikisa ni mkume hormones yake they are still intact. Nundo hormones muno it differs with ages. Pia mwe hormones yosi siambia kwa sina thina kuma miaka 35. Na biange metwa na hormones sio nzeo mpaka miaka 60. There's a big difference. Lakini nowadays matukano in tondelekana akaingime hormones yosi ambio uthana thina tene mundu mukana miaka 35 whether he has no periods at all, she becomes dry. No, because there are any issues. Exactly. And during the monthly periods, that's the starting of menopause. Na chokti matukano ini taneni ibinagani kana akainge mabjemyaka 40 maisha niki nundu hormonio ni sietwe sina thina methina tumenda hormonal imbalance na muno hormonal imbalance yuka nundu asindu ile muno be nundu wa weight whether mundu maka ena weight ningi muno increase of weight ni ata thina za hormones na kila kingi ni utumia pills either ila cha singano injectable kana ila sike wandi no amwe kana ila cha unywa kila mai whether watumia any pills na ni kwatia that's a very important topic nundu wabino tumia pills ukathombosa ukathokoania hormones yaku whether is ukanesa na hiyo kutumi kwa lama mena infertility kana mateosia na ni watumia pills tene wisa kwithia ndakwata periods na utokwata periods you cannot do kwithwa ndutona kusia that's actually pills kana kutumia contraceptive ni one of the major cause of secondary infertility kwithia ni wasine kana kambe na wenda ku space na watumia periods na wa space sia kwa kwanya your hormones kwithia ndutona cha kange and that's actually a major cause of secondary infertility in women.
Ni kwa sia kana ni chauki bindu chauki sepithia kama matukwa ime ukameno posted
bene increase of weight kuze the mena mauta maingi wezi tene aka makuna we amoito na kuze mekuta kiwu na nimekata lakini kama matukwa mayo kuna uosu na la mekala itawa idle kana inactivity physical inactivity wizari ya mundu maka ena mauta maingi kana wambe increase weight na that weight amauta sini momatho kwa nanzia mauta lama soba siante hormones so there hormones so tinsio na yambe kusangisha the minor periods indi mundu karo kwa periods either might dry up or atatumia contraceptives in might dry up because the minor periods kana the periods yuka after 2 months kana after 1 and after 3 months ingi whether yuka after 21 days ingi after 14 days ingi ukizida yuka throughout without stop. And that's with that one we said that you cannot be able to conceive. Now talk to me in most cases my advice kana mundu makabya amina miaka 30 kana 35 ni usioke kwa the ultrasound za pelvis kana akasiwa indi uterus yake ile nende ovary yake ile because that is junior ambe ya thina mundu muka kila mundu wonde after 35 years muno make sure that at least niwe kwa ultrasound wa mandikande wile nundu pena sinu dingi muno pena cyst the ovary which is very common in ladies cyst in the ovary kana endometriosis yeah endometriosis kana adenomyosis in the uterus kana fibroids sinuzi tatu nisionanga kaingete na mwingi mnoko sida wena sindu isu tutona conceive na itona kuonekana edwane wako nwa ultrasound ya uterus na ovary is very important nondo akainge withaithia mena issues onega kwitha mundu atia conceive sida mundu masiesiana ne wansiesiana lakini periods yake ni jathala kana nukolwa nebu kana kwitha ni wambia kwitha na period da samuno kana sikwa all the time we say that's a real issue na exactly mean in fact all the ladies at that time to me is good to take off ultrasound and it's very cheap. Most of the ultrasound ni 3000 ngilita to kana ngilina kana ngiliemwe bawa and then wa hospitali za serikali and that's a very important test for lady no apa ekeka kusisia ende ovaries ya kusilia na uterus ya kusilia ni a way of screening for cancer of the ovary, cancer of the endometrium, na kila kimaana muno ni kusisia endometriosis nundu akaingeme na endometriosis kana adenomyosis wisakwithia mundu muka ela nebu muno na periods yake siuka all the time na yuka nyingi kana siuka stekungama na kila kimaana muno na kila kipo kwa wingi muno about that ni fibroids. Almost 70% of women have got fibroids, 70%. Lakini it is only 10% fibroids sio wana signs and symptoms. Alangi 90% medo wana fibroids lakini wana signs and symptoms. The only way to know is doing ultrasound. Look at the ultrasound, you be utaona kumandagana I've got fibroids lakini isi kwa si unenga tena muno to operate ya kanate act on fibroids embwani si unenga mundu mukathina lakini embwasi winasiona si unenga tena we don't even bother nundu si tania to kwe si cancer na idwana na tena muno embwasi kweta another complications na to me it's good to know na wa mino kuna wa winasio we could after maybe after 2 or 3 years we managana ni siane tena siane tata. That's not very important, but for the days. Yes. Yes, nizo kutumi 70% kana akam mengo monza kate we 10 akamonza mena fibroids. Kate we 10 akamonza mena fibroids. Na nizo kutumi I fibroids ito asi nini muno. Amwe than necessary nini muno angisido asi nene muno. Si nene muno to conceive. Na ni another cause of secondary infertility, even primary infertility. There kamundu mwaka karika nini keka miaka 20 nikaambia kwenda na fibroids. Na first sign ya fibroid ni kwenda wina prolonged periods. Kati ya periods ya kusiwa kilumukia. Some unaona siku ngama. That's the first sign that the problem of the fibroid. Na only way utaona kumadhani ukunote ultrasound. Pia ndio utaona kumadhani. Lakini pia moja ya fibroids ni nene mwana wana munta muito. Nundu ingine za fibroids they are almost 3 kilograms. They are wana munta muito. Lakini it's a fibroid. Na no sio ni uma na lakini utaona kuumia always it's good to do ultrasound be. Ukamana ni fibroid kana ni ovarian cyst na ovarian cyst kana cyst is ovary. Most of them they convert to be cancers. Na hicho means ultrasound for a lady is very important. Of course those who can afford can do MRI kana CT scan. Those are good. But lakini I recommend just do the ultrasound. Is cheaper and they are more available almost everywhere. Because they are mana indi uleta tawe mundu muka. Now that sorts a lot of problems in terms of your health, reproductive health. Yes. Yeah. Right. Nene sipe malu mainge muno be ola kuya leu ola refined. Even naturally ola kuya leu ola refined. Tamukate white bread umepyo in your diet. From a diet white bread na chapati olanga chapati chips olang ambaye because that's one in fact one of the main thing ni tiko na kamera tina nundu whether chips ina nguku nundu in fact that's a major point nundu nguku ningi itone to hormones na itone the hormones siane nela wala ilangu kwa kusunguza nguku isu ina hormone they normally come to our system and wala nguku isu na wala chips now the things become worse. That's what it is. Kwa kinichambe ni matunda maingi na mboga nyingi. Matunda maingi, mboga nyingi, nothing else. Kila kingi ola, nama ola. Except ikuyo is very important. Namaziagu is very important. Lakini ila ingi siya ngoma jambu any red meat ola. Na ukiola mkuya mota maingi na kutumia sukali mwingi. In fact sukali timu sio nundu wa sukali mwingi ukata wane diabetes wa sukali wata wana sukali. Na hizo kutimu wala sukali mwingi na wala kuja ya nyingi mno. It's what is very important. Ili kana kinu chonde kila kimoyo na kinu chonde kila kesio ijo kidena. Yes. Yes, ndio na kuandika na kwa alama menda kukwata of course alama moketina medha atendea kwa msina wa Dr. Geoffrey Mutuma na numite from Zambes Hospital na ntukuma in Kemri giga ukunikile ndio wa cancer na namba ya kwa ni la Safaricom ni 0722 801-299 noti Mwanza ile na noti imwe ile kenda ile Airtel ni 0734-801-299. Asante.
Ni mobea muno naindi musesa ni mobea nundu wa kwidi wanaito thini wa Kukosa Uiiti muthenyani wa umuthi na ukwachukana ni wabikiana kutetheka ni kwenda Uiiti wailite ni Faith Mackenzie wa mutunga tukomane chumani kingi tukite ndini wa kilungu otaketi onesa.